Hello everyone. Today we're going to be looking at a slightly more complicated version of simplifying a radical, but once we break it down, hopefully it's not that bad. So the first thing you should ask yourself when you're trying to simplify a radical is, what is the degree of my radical? The degree of the radical is always this number located right there. And our degree in this case is going to be 4. If you have a radical of degree 4, you're going to be looking for groups of 4 in your prime factorization, because remember, to simplify these radicals, you should break them down into their prime factorization. Well, what does that mean? It means what prime numbers multiply together to get 16. Well, 16 can be broken down into 2 times 8. And 8 can be broken down into 2 times 4, and 4 can be broken down into 2 times 2. So in total, you're going to get something like this. That 16 is the same thing as 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. Now we also have x to the 9. So we're going to break down the x to the 9. So we have times x times x times x, and so on until you get about 9 x's. Let's see, how much is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Once you have broken down in your radicand, that's the term on the inside, you now are looking for groups that have the same number of your degrees, so groups of 4. Well, I see there's 1, 2, 3, 4 2's. So what do I do when I find a group of 4? I'm going to cross all but one of them out, move this one to the front. So we have equal to 2. Now let's look at our x's. How many groups of 4 do we have? We have this 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 3, move it to the front to get 2x. We have another group of 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross out 3, move that to the front to get another x. And then we just have a single x left over, but since it's not in a group of 4, it has to stay inside of our root 4 radical. Well, x times x is the same thing as x squared, so we simplify it further to 2x squared times the 4th root of x, and that is our simplified radical.